Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Amen.
Amen.
All right, everyone, we're here. I don't feel like doing anything today. Dig in, guys, except making something very simple. And I know we've all done this before. Just make what, honey?
What?
What are we eating?
Oh, we're eating Naruto noodles.
Ramen. We're making ramen.
Naruto.
Naruto, ramen, whatever. It's easy to eat. I'm sure in other parts of the country, how much does a pack of ramen cost anyways? Like one pack. Guess.
One single pack.
One single pack, yeah. How much?
2 cents.
2 cents. What do you say?
Like 98.
Lower. Your turn, Silhouette.
45.
Lower. You want to guess?
25.
Lower.
Oh, 18.
Hmm?
18.
I have seen them places, but not where I bought them today. They were a little bit higher than that.
20.
Oh, a little bit lower.
Oh.
You want to go, Silva?
No.
19.
Hey, ready? Go with your hair like that. Hey. Ding, 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 ding. You got it right. You okay?
I spit ramen juice.
Oh. Eat it.
I
Hey.
need my soy sauce.
I put soy sauce in it. You want more soy sauce? Do we have any more of this in the refrigerator?
You drink too much of that.
Fine.
She likes the tamari sauce one. I like it too. A little sprinkle. Yeah, I put a little bit in there, but not very much. Woo. So today she did her Siva Afi practice with her team called
Siva
Tupu Leafi. Mm. She went twice this week. She went to Auburn, which is near Seattle, right? And then Tacoma, which is a lot closer to our house. I think after we eat, I'll show you some video of her practicing it one or the other. This is like your eighth practice, right? Eighth weekend practicing. I'm also planning, it's almost Labor Day. It's Saturday, 2 days before the holiday Labor Day in the USA. And people barbecue, whatever, but I want to do a umu. I want to get a whole pig, but not too big because my umu's small, but I found out most places say I have to order it a week in advance, so I'm going to think some other things I can put in there. And the video probably, yeah, right after this one, the next one you see after this one will be our 2,000 subscriber special. So stay tuned for that. I'll give shout outs then when that comes. They're getting ready to start school too. When do you start school?
Wednesday.
Wednesday? What's wrong with mom eating? You're watching her.
No, it's her head.
What's wrong with her head?
She looks like one of the aliens from that Scooby-Doo movie.
Is that like a compliment? Alien from a Scooby-Doo movie?
Oh no, she looks like the baby alien that like gets out someone's stomach.
Oh, for the movie Alien with Sigourney Weaver? The actual movie? Okay. Anyone else got an opinion about mom? What she looks like today?
Roger.
Roger from American Dad. They love picking on mommy. They're so mean. Yeah, besides Siva, Afi practice and buying groceries today, we really did nothing. I mean, sometimes after a long day or a long week of work and a long day of, I don't know, whatever the kids
A
do.
lot of going in and out this week.
Yeah, we did a lot of in and out. Acapella has a new hobby too. You know you got Siva Afi? Well, I'm not sure I want to tell you. I want to show you her new hobby. At least a little secret, like her doing a few things. She has to do stuff to get ready to do this hobby. She has to have certain shoes on. She has to have certain, like, other stuff on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is your new hobby fun?
Yeah.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She
So
meant
dangerous and fun. How do those two go together?
she can also meet new cute boys.
Oh, and she can meet new cute boys, Silhouette says. How old are you? 22? Girls.
Oh, I got this really bad bruise on my knee, too.
Oh, from doing your, yeah, on the wood floor, huh?
Yeah, it hurts so much. It's like spread across my knee.
Yeah, she's trying to do like new moves, so she kneels down, boom, boom, and then she goes down with both knees, boom, while she's spinning her practice stick. And she did that like 3 or 4 times practicing yesterday, the wood floor. And then she showed me today, she has a bruise like the size of a little mini pancake.
Pella.
That's good though, it toughened you up. Oh, no one wants to see that on camera.
I'm showing Pella.
Oh, acapella don't want to see it ever. On camera, off camera.
It's like triangular, but like there's 2 circles at
Why is
there.
it so big?
Is it diangular or triangular?
Bruises always
Oh, rectangular.
turns out
Looks like
different the
that.
next day.
Ovular. What's that?
I said bruises always turns out different the next day.
Probably because it's heavy.
You can see all 3 of us still have food left. Mom's almost completely done. So, you know she's a full-blooded Samoan because she ain't wasting her time talking. She's focusing, putting all her
but I like
energies
enjoying
into
my
finishing her food.
food.
She's enjoying her food. She's just enjoying her food faster than we are. But we're talking a lot. Plus, maybe the next video won't be the umu. Maybe it'll be the one you've been begging Mom to make for you. What have you been asking Mom to make for you? Tell them.
Pancakes. Pancake.
Pancakey, huh?
Funny kiki.
Panikiki. So Mommy makes them way better than I would make them. So that's why we got some bananas and flour. So hopefully, I don't know. Mom was saying that.
50.
Mom said, like, I can take the video camera and make my own video.
Sure.
I said, what would you make? And she said, I'd make Silhouette her panikiki. So maybe that's the next video. We'll find out.
I hope.
You hope. All right, sweetie.
Wow, Silo. Your noodles look dark.
Did you say something? What did you say? What? I can't hear very well.
I'm so hungry.
I thought you said you were like done.
Yeah.
She doesn't
No, you're
wanna,
not done.
She doesn't want us to. May I please be excused?
Well, she knows the rules now.
Yeah.
Anything else you guys have fun that you did this weekend or last week?
No.
Practice, 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 practice.
I had a
Doctor
photo shoot.
visit,
Oh, they have doctor visits. She had
dental
shots.
visit.
It was like dental visits.
I had a shot on my left arm and 2 on my right,
Yeah.
and then I had an orthodontist appointment for chain braces.
Yeah, they
Oh,
gave
you
you.
got chain
She's got
braces.
chain braces now instead of.
And then they were wrestling around, and Acapella punched her in her mouth.
That
With
was
her
not
braces?
pleasant. just I was like this, like this, and then Silo, like a split second, she kind of brought her arms down and fell into a boom, and then right back to the boom, and Silo went, and I just realized her braces. She has braces.
I'm done.
Here you go. You want me to do for the table?
May I be excused?
Sure, you may be excused. Love you, sweetie.
Oh,
Can you take your bowl to the, or unless Mom wants your noodles.
yeah.
Want your noodles?
No, I'm full.
Oh, just take it to the sink.
Okay.
All right, love you, sweetie.
Oh,
She's so shy on the camera.
And I had a photo shoot.
Oh yeah, you guys went last Saturday though. That was last Saturday, right? Yeah, her class went up to Seattle and what'd they do?
We took videos for a documentary and we took like photos.
Cool. Yeah, they'll probably turn out to be really nice photos. And they're gonna give them to all the parents for free. Pretty cool.
Wait, are they gonna be like paper?
No, they're digital, but you can take your memory card or something from your computer and go make it a paper one if you want to, right?
Yeah, we can hang them.
Are you done too?
Yeah.
I got one more bite.
Excused.
Wow.
Okay.
No, you may not. Let's just say goodbye, and then we get out and watching her practice. So we love you guys. We'll see you next video. And until next time, stay safe. God bless. Hope all your family is healthy. You have anything to say goodbye to? Honey bunny?
Bye, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.
Your turn, Solat. No, talk normal.
Bye.
She talks so much, but put it on camera that she don't want to talk. You can say that if you want.
No.
I'm going to repeat it.
No.
Take your read lips.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. How about saying bye to your friends at Siva if they ever watch?
Bye, friends at Siva.
Or it's not Siva.
Wait.
Bye.
Bye to Blue friends.
She's so funny.
Oh.
All right, everyone. We love you. We'll see you next time. Until then, well, wait. Stay tuned for her practice afterwards.
No, like this.
And until the next video, we'll see you then. And Ready? 1. Tasi, Lua, Tolu. Peace! GoPro, stop recording.
Because that reminded me when you said Tasi Lua Tolu. And that's when I say Tupule Afi.
All right, that's what they do.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Tasa, Lua, Tolu.
Tupule Afi.
You're supposed to say Tubulu Hafi.
I said burpee.
Something celery. Yeah.
Eggs make me burp.
Hey, you know that's still recording, right? I'm going to put all that on YouTube.
Oh my god, it is.
Don't turn my thing off. Leave it alone.
It is.
Okay, GoPro. We'll see how she does when she doesn't know she's being filmed.